Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Peugeot E-2008 50kWh GT Premium, which is an electric automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in vertigo blue pearlescent paint. To start off with, then you have the LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for helping to make you more visible to other road users. Along with 18-inch 5 split-spoke alloys with a grey finish, really complementing the vertigo blue pearlescent exterior colour. Along with privacy glass, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy that they desire. Moving to your boot space, you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. This vehicle is capable of rapid charging and can charge from 20% to 80% in up to 40 minutes, and it has a range of up to 206 miles. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the tri-material Mistral and Alcantara upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once we pan round, you can find that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your steering column you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 9,339 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. As well as this, you also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music, along with a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have your climate control, where you can easily adjust the temperature, airflow and airflow direction by using the screen, and as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on the Peugeot E-2008 50kWh GT Premium that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.